Hello, Growing Roots Level 2 students. We're going to talk about slimy fingers today. We're going to do our slimy fingers with first finger on the E string. And then I'm going to show you from this angle. Notice my thumb is staying in one position, in one place. Now you can do that with each finger. Second finger and third finger. And fourth finger. Make sure that you have strong mountaintop fingers when you do this. And now the next step, the next level is to have your thumb move while you do the slimy fingers. So my thumb is going to do this. So it really helps to make sure that you can hold your violin up without any hands. We're going to work on that in our next class. But moving the thumb along with the finger. First finger, second finger, and third finger, and then fourth finger. Fourth finger is very important because it helps the frame of your hand. If you want to slide with all the fingers down, that's fine too, or you can use independent fingers. The next thing I wanted to talk about was steps and skips. So we're going to talk about the new piece, Kangaroo in the Pouch. So Kangaroo in the Pouch starts with open A, and then it skips or it leaps up. It goes very high up to third finger. So you're gonna put down 1, 2, and 3, but you're gonna put down 3. So you're gonna skip over those other fingers. Now you could also do just 3. But for now, I think open and then setting all the fingers down is fine until you really feel comfortable putting just one finger down. So we're going to do it again. So we're going to leap up from open to third finger. We're leaping over the first and second finger. So we're going to set 1, 2, and 3 down, leap over the 1 and 2, and play 3. Now the next note will be open E. So move your bow over to E, play E, go. And we're going to also set 1, 2, and 3. We're going to leap up to 3, go. So those are leaps when you are skipping over several notes in a scale. The next part of Kangaroo in the Pouch will be stepping notes. So we're going to start on the E string and we're going to go up one step at a time. That means we're doing open E, then 1, and what comes after number 1? 2, what comes after number 2? 3. So we're going in order, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going down or backwards in order, 3, 2, 1. That's open E, then first finger. Then we're stepping up to second finger. And then stepping up to third finger. And then we repeat the notes coming down. Second finger, steps down. Step down to first finger. Open E. So we'll be learning that at our next Growing Roots class tomorrow. Now I'd like to talk a little bit about jingle bells and how you can identify what the notes are. We're going to start at the beginning of Jingle Bells. We're going to start on the C sharp, second finger on A. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle. Is that a step or a skip? Well, if I just step up to third finger, that's not high enough, so it's going to be higher than that. It's just one note higher than the step above, so it's a skip. So we're going to skip to E from the beginning. Skip to E. What is that note? Is it a big leap, or is it a small leap like a skip, or is it a step? Well, if I go from E and I go down to third finger, which is a step, that's not low enough. If I do a skip, that's not quite low enough. I'll try first finger. It's even lower than that. I hope it's not on the D string. There it is. It's just open A. Okay, so I'm going to start from the beginning. A. Now the next two notes go like this. Are those stepping notes or skipping notes? Well, they sound la, 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 like they're pretty close, like they're neighbor notes. So I'm going to guess, did you guess stepping notes? Open A, 1, 2. They are. Now the next note goes like this. So I went from here to here. Was that a skip? A skip would go la, la. That's too high. I think it's lower, so I'll try third finger. So that'll be the next note for me to start on. That was all the same note, but then it goes. That is a really close note, so I'm going to guess that it's a step. It's the second finger. And then it steps down to first finger. Those are stepping notes. Then it goes way up to here. And that is a leap. We're not going to be skipping, we're leaping from 1 on A to E. So those are some important things to listen for and to try on your violin to see if you can find them.